हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू कुछ बातें ऐसी भी, जहां हम बातें करते हैं उन चीजों की जो हर किसी के दिमाग में तो होती हैं, लेकिन कोई उन्हें बोलता नहीं है ना?
हाँ, और कभी कभी वो बातें जो बोल दी जाए तो घर वाले पूछ लेते, बेटा सब ठीक है ना?
बिल्कुल। और ये सेकंड एपिसोड है, क्योंकि हमने डिसाइड किया था ना, एक एपिसोड से ज्यादा तो लोग हमको टॉलरेट कर ही लेंगे।
वैसे अगर आप ये सुन रहे हैं तो इसका मतलब है कि हम अभी तक कैंसिल नहीं हुए।
आज का एपिसोड है उन सब वुमेन के लिए जो कॉर्पोरेट दुनिया का हिस्सा बनने की सोच रही हैं, या उस कॉर्पोरेट ग्लास सीलिंग को तोड़ना चाहती हैं। और इस मजे की दुनिया में डायरेक्शन देने के लिए हमारे साथ एक खास मेहमान है, माधुरी मल्होत्रा,
जिनको हम प्यार से मधु कहते हैं। सो गाइस, वी हैव मधु एंड हनी बोथ इन द हाउस।
मधु की जर्नी किसी नेटफ्लिक्स सीरीज से कम नहीं है। पहले एक मॉडल थी, फिर दिल्ली में होम मेकर बनी, और जब मुंबई आई तो जी और सोनी में धमाका कर दिया।
और रिटायरमेंट के बाद भी बस करना उनके डिक्शनरी में नहीं था। मधु ने अपना स्टार्टअप शुरू किया, मधु's किचन मार्वल्स, मतलब काम और खाना दोनों में धमाल।
तो आज हम मधु से बात करेंगे करियर, ऑफिस स्टोरीज और ऑफ कोर्स खाने के बारे में।
हनी, तुझे खाने के बारे में सुनकर एनर्जी तो आ गई होगी।
ऑफ कोर्स, और मुझे पता है तुझे भी। चलिए बिना और टाइम वेस्ट करे मधु को वेलकम करते हुए और उनकी जबरदस्त कहानी सुनते हैं।
तो शुरू करें कुछ बातें ऐसी भी कब एक मसालेदार एपिसोड।
लेट्स गो, क्लैप। वेलकम मधु।
Thank you, Renu and Honey, for the lovely words. It's a pleasure to be here with you all today.
Madhu, before we get into your inspiring tale, एक क्वेश्चन जो हम सबको हमेशा हॉन्ट करता है, is it really a man's world out there? या बस हमने सुन लिया और हम मान चुके हैं?
I think I was very fortunate to be employed by an incredible company that is leading the way in ensuring we work in an environment where you can just be your true self. Sony has been a great place to work for women. Is it really a man's world? Nah, not anymore. Today's woman is independent, vocal, and confident. You will actually find her in all walks of life.
I agree to that.
And do you think all men in the company के पास कोई secret WhatsApp group होता है जिसको बोलते हैं how to stay on top? Considering in any organization, आप देखेंगे 70 से 80% top management posts ज्यादातर occupied by men.
My question as well.
That's true, but you know what? I don't think that's a conscious call by the management. If there are eligible women, they do make it to the top. I've seen that. Probably women may have less access to networks and opportunities that can help them advance their careers and become leaders.
So how did you do it all? How did you manage it?
I'd like to share some of the most valuable things I learned along the way that have helped me gain a seat at the table, open doors for myself and others, and also help empower me. Firstly, I built a strong support network. Secondly, ensured visibility for my department by conducting workshops. Last but not the least, speak up at meetings. Ensure your voice is heard. इतना मुश्किल नहीं है, हाँ, थोड़ी मेहनत जरूर है, but after that, you'll be flying.
And mehnat is there in every field.
Absolutely.
I think anything you start or whether you work for a corporate, right?
Yes, you need to work.
मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं who runs the world girls को एक अपडेट देने की जरूरत है, but with terms and conditions applied.
Totally. Madhu, let's start from the beginning. Tell us about your professional journey. Was there a big break moment? Or was it like one small step at a time, लेकिन हर step power packed?
You know, I was actually a very happy homemaker in Delhi, taking care of 4 kids. अभी आप सोचोगे इसकी तो 2 बेटियां, ये 4 कहाँ से आ गई? So yes, my 2 daughters and my saas and sassur. But it was when my husband got transferred to Mumbai and the girls were away whole day in school. I felt at a loss कि मैं अकेली सारा दिन घर में क्या करूँ? So suddenly I was just engulfed with this urge to take up a job. At that time, back in say 1994, Zee was getting ready to launch their second entertainment channel by back then LTV. I'm not sure how many of you would have heard of LTV, but 2 years after its launch, it got rebranded as a separate news channel, Zee News.
Yeah, you heard of that.
And you know, coincidentally, during the launch of LTV, they were looking out for someone to handle their standards and practices department. Now, this is like an in-house censor board. So what this department does is ensure that all content going on air is in compliance with guidelines, both internal as well as external. And the best part is that they were looking for someone with young kids so that she would be sensitive to content, and I just happened to fit the bill. As they say, right time, right place. I think I was very fortunate there. So 13 years in Zee, and then I got a couldn't refuse offer from Sony, after which there really was no looking back for me.
So it was a series of big breaks for you. Can we say that?
Yes, because I was a homemaker and then I got this lovely break at Z and then a really big break at Sony and now, yes, my own venture. So good breaks, yes.
Yes.
And Madhu, considering we all know how Sensor Board works, right? It's a job with a lot of responsibilities since you're on air, right? So, कभी ऐसा लगा कि बहुत हो गई responsibilities. Should I just run away to Goa?
Oh my God, I wish we could literally do that. Responsibility, yes, because as the standards and practices is the last buck before any content goes on air.
Right.
Yes, so it was high responsibility. And I recall a time in my first job when there would be last minute requirements. It has to go on air because of revenue implications. पैसा आ रहा है तो मना नहीं कर सकते हैं. So I would be working very late, sometimes even post midnight. At times it would get so exhausting and I would feel like running away from it all. And guess what? You just coincidentally mentioned Goa. But when I retired, my farewell was actually in Goa.
Oh, nice.
So we can safely say all's well that ends well.
In Goa.
Yes, in Goa. So, how was the journey like? Was it like climbing a Mount Everest? Or was it like full of twists and turns? And
I would say it was a beautiful journey. But of course, it had its own ups and downs, twists and turns. But overall, I would say more ups than downs. I was lucky to have had some really good bosses. So life was not very, but quite comfortable. कभी-कभार बीच में कुछ unpleasant incidents भी आते हैं. That's life. Mainly, it would be a problematic team member.
always the case. Problematic team members. Don't you think, honey?
Correct. And during this journey, आपको किसी sticky corporate situation में खुद को पाया कभी आपने? जैसे एक tricky email आ गया या boardroom drama हो गया. क्या हमें कुछ tips मिलेंगे ऐसे moments के लिए?
Honey, that sure is a tricky question, huh? In my first job, I recall a situation when I had to deal with a difficult person in my team. Most unpunctual and performance issues. I prioritize open communication. I had quite a few sessions with her. She had some personal, emotional issues, so I had to approach the situation with empathy. मुझे उसके problems समझने थे, लेकिन as a team leader, मुझे कंपनी के नियम कायदे के दायरे में भी रहना था. It wasn't easy because I knew I had to be positive. I had to focus on finding common ground so that the team continues to work seamlessly, right? That shouldn't suffer. Ultimately, we gave her the option of working second shift. We said, okay, since you are so unpunctual, you can't come on time. Come late, but then you leave late because you need to put in that many hours of work. She was very happy to accept that option. We would all leave at 6 p.m. And after that, what do you think? No one's a
Party time!
Yeah, no one to supervisor. So
Yes.
enjoy.
Party time, loud music, dance away.
But then this was the only option, I guess, and you took a very, I think you took a very nice decision. आपको क्या लगता है इस situation में अगर Gen Z होता, आज के बच्चे होते, तो if you had tried to correct them, what would have happened?
Oh no, they don't like anything to be forced upon them. They feel as long as I'm finishing the work, what's the problem? But from our side, if need be, there's always HR to whom we can escalate the situation.
Yes. चलो अब सच बताओ. What is the weirdest excuse that you have used to escape a never-ending meeting? I need to know that.
Actually, I personally haven't done it. But with everyone owning a mobile phone ever so often, I have seen people pretending to step out to take a call and they just disappear.
They don't come back.
And then boss is looking everywhere asking, ye kahan gaya, wo kahan gaya? And we're all looking at each other and smiling because we know that person is not going to come back.
I'm guilty. I'm guilty of that. I love how you kept your cool all throughout. Speaking of keeping cool, एक question जो हमारी audience से काफी relatable है. Post 40 stereotypes का mountain climb करते हुए आपने confidence कैसे बनाए रखा? Especially while shattering those glass ceilings at Sony.
Post 40, Renu, age is a state of mind. Yes, I agree. You need new blood and fresh ideas. But you also need the experience and maturity, right? We need to understand the different cultures and mindset. Sometimes, what happens? We very unconsciously create stereotype biases. We would associate a South Indian as being dark-skinned or wearing lungi and having idli, dosa, sambar. Or when it comes to Sardar for that matter, our immediate reaction is, oh, bale, bale. Now that kind of labeling is just not done. It's important for us to come out of the cliches and stereotype.
State of mind. My state of mind says that I'm 80 years old.
No, I'm around 60.
80. I'm double my age.
So Madhu, I've always loved clothes. I've worked with clothes. So what is your secret power? Is it power dressing or is it power naps?
Undoubtedly, honey, it is power dressing.
No
It's a
surprises for that.
it's a style of dressing that conveys so many things. I mean, authority, confidence, and professionalism. It makes you feel so smart and strong. You feel the true power in power dressing, right?
True. I agree. Renu?
Yes, I agree too. Though I would have preferred a power nap, but okay. Okay, that is true. That it post 40 helps you with that mental filter.
Mhm.
But what about patience? Be honest, how often did you secretly roll your eyes at a newly joined employee acting absolutely lost in a meeting?
Oh, yes. It's so annoying to see them come for the meeting without having done their homework or research. No inputs coming from them. And they sit there like silent spectators.
Yes.
Been there, done that.
Renu has done everything.
Renu has done everything. And Madhu, now you've swapped your corporate ladders for a completely different adventure. She runs Madhu's Kitchen Marvels, amazing catering company. So what's been the most surprising or unexpected thing about managing your own business compared to your 9-to-5 job?
So even though I knew it, yet the first surprise that hit me was that the figure which would get credited on the 30th of every month in my account just stopped.
Yes.
But yes, on the other hand, I was looking forward to this new venture which I had already put in place. Madhu's Kitchen Marvels, my own catering platform. I work at my own pace, even though it does get hectic at times. I have realized that kitchen is hardcore labor, whereas work at Sony was a nice, comfortable AC cabin. Please don't get me wrong, wasn't a piece of cake either. Well, I couldn't miss a food reference here, okay? I am loving dishing out all the yummy food for my awesome clients. It gives me immense satisfaction when they enjoy the food. And all the more when their kids say that they love Madhu auntie's food.
We too, Madhu, we love your food.
And
Seriously.
I actually agree with that 30th ka wo getting your salary.
Yes.
I start thinking about it from the 1st of every month. Goes on till 30th. Anyways, what was more stressful? A demanding corporate boss or a customer who nitpicks all the time?
Well, there you will definitely find this one or two nitpicking customers. That's fine. But I think a demanding corporate boss is definitely more difficult to handle because life can be pretty miserable and then it affects your work output, your mental peace of mind at home. Everything just goes for a toss. Whereas customer I can handle, no problem there.
Agree. You come home with that baggage.
Yeah, absolutely.
कहीं मन नहीं लगता. It is very difficult.
There's a special hell for bosses like that.
Hopefully. So, Madhu, if your dishes could talk, what would they say about you?
Of course, they would say, you're a fantastic cook. I'm always happy to be a part of your delicious meals. But kabhi kabhar na, I think I can also hear them say, you could be a little more gentle with me. I'm burned.
Chala Okay, now let's step into a time machine. If you could travel back in time and meet your younger self, क्या advice देना चाहती थी? एक लाइन जो मधु को मधु बनाने के लिए जरूरी होती.
I would definitely prioritize myself. Not be afraid of being myself. I think as women know what happens is, for some reason, we just do not put ourselves first. There's always someone or something else that we
Which is
give
more important.
priority to.
Yes.
Yeah, that's where the work-life balance comes into play. That's important. But ultimately, the bottom line, the mantra is, follow your dreams, you go girl.
Yes, you go.
And what is one thing your younger self would want to avoid?
Should avoid.
Stop thinking about what society at large would think about you. People tend to be judgmental, so just ignore them.
Yes. I think you master that. There's a lot you could achieve, right?
Yes.
Correct.
I would have given them stock tips. That was the most intelligent thing to do. Nevertheless, we've heard you were a model in your young days. Do you regret not taking it forward?
Renu, you've touched upon a sore point here.
Yes, I've excelled at that. Tell me.
Well, yes, I do regret that. If I had the opportunity and the required support at that point in time, I would have really loved to take it forward. But for now, it is what it is.
And speaking of advice, one piece of wisdom you'd like to share with our listeners, जो सारी young women के काम आए. चाहे वो अपने पहले जॉब का स्ट्रगल से डील कर रही हो या अपने ड्रीम्स के लिए फाइट कर रही हो.
You know, I think it's important to ensure that no matter what you do in life, especially when you know that you could be on the edge at that time, ask yourself, will I be able to justify my action? बेशक आपकी personal life हो या personal life हो, that's it. You can't go wrong. Just this one question. Will I be able to justify my action?
And I think you
Food
should
for
be
your
more,
thought.
when you start something, you should be more prepared. Like Madhu does, like Madhu's done with most of her ventures. You have to be really prepared and have an insight. Then only you should get into something. That is what I feel. Not in a hurry.
I
Yeah.
agree. So, Madhu, now one more honesty wala question.
डरा रही है रे.
So, how good have you become in fake it till you make it?
Oh, I think this happens pretty often, Renu. Recently, a client asked me, do you make lal mas? I had never made. But I said yes. Then I checked a couple of recipes on YouTube and I made it for the client. They loved it. I'm telling you, it was such a relief considering कि पहली बार बनाया ये dish.
ये हुई ना बात. You go, girl.
And it's a very difficult dish to make. It is not something, you know, you could, just
Rajasthani.
anybody can make.
Yeah,
correct.
Yes.
And what is one thing that you think every woman should do alone? Soul. I mean, alone somebody should try.
Honey, the first thing that comes to mind is solo travel. I think that's super fun. Just be yourself, by yourself. Do whatever you want to do without any jijak, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, basically enjoy the experience.
Oh, yes.
Maze lo.
Nothing can work as good as creating your own itinerary and just doing what you want to do. Rather than someone telling you, "Ki, let's do this and let's do that
Right.
and let's go here and let's go there."
And it changes you and it gives you a different kind of confidence.
Yes,
Which is
I
what
agree.
happened to me also. Yes.
I agree.
Yeah,
Correct.
totally.
Okay, now let's spice it up with some listener questions. पहला क्वेश्चन है, एक सिनेरियो जो हर वर्किंग वुमन रिलेट कर सकती है. Why is it कि whenever you're about to leave for the day, किसी का क्विक क्वेश्चन कभी भी क्विक नहीं होता? Any pro tips for escaping these moments?
Actually, today technology is so advanced that if the conversation extends, all I have to say is, okay, message me and I'll get back to you. These days we're even working from home, so what's the problem? Since we've been talking about post-40 scenarios, it's easier to say exactly what you feel at this stage. In my younger age, मैं भी वैसे सोचती थी, ये क्या बोलेगा, वो क्या सोचेगी, but not anymore. Now no filters.
Oh, nice. What about you, honey?
I agree with Madhu. With the technology being so good now, you don't have to really be tied down to one place to finish any job. You could always go, tell them कि हम घर जाके कर लेंगे.
Bindas.
My mantra is simple. It depends who is telling me. If it is coming from my boss or his boss, I will definitely stay, no matter if I have to stay till midnight. But if it is coming from someone of my hierarchy, then yeah, कल बात करते हैं. आज जरूरत नहीं, कल बात करेंगे इसके बारे में. Let's take it up tomorrow.
Renu is very clear, okay? She's selective.
Yes.
On hierarchy.
I miss, there are people who, there are racists, there are castes.
You're
I'm hierarchist.
Good. Way to go, girl.
Yes.
And love that answer, seriously. And here's one more thing from the listeners. अगर आप चाय, कॉफी या स्मोक ब्रेक्स नहीं करते तो कैसे इंश्योर करते हैं कि वाटर कूलर की गॉसिप्स या बड़े डिसीजंस आपके बिना नहीं हो? What is your strategy?
Yes, this is a very common pattern that I have noticed during my corporate working years. Usually क्या होता है, the men just hang out together for these smoke breaks, coffee breaks. And obviously, invariably, they end up discussing work stuff. हमारे जैसे थोड़ी ना कि कपड़े डिस्कस किया, बाकी सब डिस्कस किया.
Yes, they discuss only work,
Yeah.
right?
So then, this work stuff, which obviously no minutes have been recorded. One option is to join them whenever you can with your cup of anything that you drink. Make yourself a natural part of the group so that whenever they take the break, they automatically, by default, call you or join them.
Correct.
Exactly. I know a lady who never joined the men for their smoke breaks, but she made herself part of the lunch team. And you believe me, she definitely knew what was going on in the organization, everything. She knew exactly who was drawing how much CTC, how much bonus, what deals were being sealed, what's new in the organization. OMG, absolutely everything, right from work to all the gossip.
This is by far the most gossipy I have seen Madhu be. And that is the best part. Having said that, if it was me, my advice would be minimal is the thing. Be minimalistic. The less you know, the better. So what happens, the buck is never on your table. You are not answerable because nothing was decided in front of you. हमें पता ही नहीं था कब हुआ ये बात, हमें बताया ही नहीं गया था. So you have less responsibilities you have. And life is simple, life is cool, life is chill then.
Oh no, my boss would have said, Madhuri, you don't know. How come? What's happened to your networking?
Next time, sir. That's always next time. Anyways, that's all for now.
Yes.
And it was an absolute pleasure to have Madhuri on the show. And the unfiltered Madhuri was amazing, wasn't she?
Yes. We really love these conversations, Madhu. I've known you for 20 plus years, but I've never known this side of you. Thank you so much for being you.
Thank you so much, honey. Thank you so much, Renu. It was a privilege to be here with you guys, talking to you all and your lovely audience.
Thank you. तो दोस्तों, ये था हमारा आज का एपिसोड, मधु के करियर के सफर की कहानी, जो एकदम मसालेदार थी ना. मतलब एक ही साथ करियर और किचन हमने दोनों कवर कर लिया.
हाँ, और अगर आपको लगता है कि हम यहाँ ज्ञान बांट रहे हैं, तो नहीं, हम बस कहानियाँ सुना रहे हैं. उनसे इंस्पिरेशन लेना ना लेना ये सब आपके ऊपर है.
बिल्कुल सही बोला रेनू. वैसे एक काम कर सकते हो, तुरंत इंस्टा खोलो, @बातें ऐसी भी को फॉलो करो, और बाकी सब सोशल मीडिया लिंक्स तो आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल ही जाएंगे.
मतलब एक फॉलोअर बढ़ता है तो हमारा सेल्फ एस्टीम भी थोड़ा बढ़ जाता है. थेरेपी के पैसे जो बच जाते हैं.
बिल्कुल ठीक. और वहाँ हमें डीएम करके आप अपनी स्टोरी भी सुनाइए. अगर हमको इंटरेस्टिंग लगी तो क्या पता हमारे नेक्स्ट गेस्ट आप ही हो.
तो इंस्टा पे मिलते हैं @बातें ऐसी भी, वरना अगले एपिसोड में.
बाय, और सुनते रहिए
कुछ बातें
ऐसी भी.